Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key market insights. Today, S&P 500, we are bullish. We have reclaimed 9 EMA on a daily time frame. Market is pushing higher. We are looking for the equal high of this point, 640 area. So equal high and then the market sell-off. Market sell-off has postponed, not cancelled. You need to understand this is a witness Marubazu candle, and moving forward, the market will sell off. Right now, the market is pushing. And the reason for pushing the market is yesterday we were looking at this chart on the right in this area. When we saw the market open at 9:30, the volume was high. Next candle, the volume dropped. Third candle, the volume dropped, the green bar. So right at 10 o'clock, I alerted the market is sitting, institution is sitting on a sell side. Okay. And this is what we were looking at. Continue seller from 616 million. The market went to 145 million imbalance to the sell side. Last 15-minute institution bought the market and went straight shoot up. And the reason to buy was Trump signing the bill for crypto investment into 401k. And that was the reason. That's what made the institution to buy. Otherwise, there was a 99% chance Friday to be red today, because whenever institutions sell on Thursday evening, they don't buy back. This buy came just because of the news of the president signing the executive order for the crypto investments. Okay, generally you will not see this kind of spike in the Thursday evening. So this is what were going on. And right here, if you look at previously, right here, this was the sell going on right here yesterday. Especially this comment is for John Brook on StockTwit. I know you are listening now. Okay, when I say the market is bearish, it was yesterday. That's what I was looking at. And yesterday at 1:49, I was driving for 2 hours. I was at a car dealership. So if last minute the market got bought, I was not on my computer. I was not monitoring this 15-minute volume. At 2 to 4 o'clock, I was not on my computer. So you need to watch the volume. Not that you are following me on social media and I have to update you. So make sure you know what you are doing. Everybody in the group has this link in my Discord. They know what to look for. So if the market is selling right here, we knew it market will sell right here, will short the put and the market will bounce. This spike is totally because of the news trading. Otherwise, there is no reason for Friday to be green today. Okay, now let's move forward. So what we are looking at, market is green today. Market will continue pushing higher, making equal high right here. Sell-off is imminent. It will come moving forward few days down the line. Okay. Let's look at the QuantumScape. QuantumScape, we bought it at 870. Right now, trading at 860. We are 13% in profit. We'll continue holding our trade. Okay, this is the second trade we have traded, although we have traded 100 times. But from this breakout, this is the second trade. We had this breakout trade, and now this is the second breakout trade we are looking at. Most likely, we will see the equal high and then dump. Okay, so we'll be holding this trade for more profit. Even if we are 13% in profit, still we will hold it. Okay, there is a breakout coming upside. You see here, the golden cross is about to appear. The volume is fading. RSI is getting positive. So we are looking at this jump towards $16. Most likely we'll take down this, create the bull trap above the 15 area and then tank. Okay, so we'll continue holding QuantumScape. Moving forward to Rivian, stock is sitting at the bottom. We have this trend line. Soon you will see the breakout in this area, right in this area. So little bit drop, volume is dropping, price is dropping. What we are looking at, we are sitting at the bottom. This is where the trend line is found, 1107. But most likely we will hold this area. Why we will hold? Because of this fractal right here, the previous low. We have direct effect, equal low. We'll see another retracement right here to number 2. Point number 3, there is possible another rejection at 13.4, 1293 area at 200 EMA right here. Everything is working as a resistance. Retracement 1293, 1324. 200 EMA trend line. So there is a possibility of a strong rejection right here, one more drop, and then third time shoot up towards right in this area, $16. Stock is bullish in long run. Just for next few days, it may bounce here, dead cat bounce, one more run like here, this kind of bounce, and then again sell off a little bit. But overall, good to hold the position, and we'll continue holding our trade in Rivian. We are looking at 16, maximum we are looking at 22. Moving forward to Tesla, we have a clear breakout on Tesla right here. If you look at this candle, slicing through the black trend line, coming from the higher to the lower high point, we have a clear breakout. Now what we are looking at, if we want this bullish momentum to continue, the market need to retest this candle again. Okay, so go around 338 area, 340 area, then sell off and then shoot up all the way to 440 area. If the market continue right here, that will be the weak bull run and market will sell off again. What we are looking at, go to 340 area, retest this trend line as a support line and then bounce off. If we don't reset, the bull run will fail. However, we are looking at 35% breakdown or break upside. Whichever side the stock will go, it will go roughly 35%. 99% it will go bullish. Okay. There is 1% chance it will go for the liquidity grab before the bull run. But bullish 35% breakout, upside retest. We are coming out of a symmetrical triangle. Yesterday I covered that our price was squeezed between the trend line and the 200 EMA. So this is where the squeeze was happening. Overall, it's a symmetrical triangle pattern. But again, the price, besides the symmetrical triangle, the price was squeezing between 200 EMA working as a support line and trend line working as a resistance. We have a clear slice through, bullish on this one, 35% upside. Moving forward to SMCI, we have a short put. We are looking for the wave, bounce of 200 EMA, support change into resistance, bounce into wave 2, fill the gap right in this area between the third candle and the first candle. If I draw the box, this is where the gap to be found. This gap has to fill. Okay, so the wave to mitigate the gap and sell off. This is where the bottom is sitting around $36, $37. That's where the bottom is. But we'll be out. We are not holding the share. We are just having a short put. At the first bounce toward 53, 55 area, will be out of the trade. So 46, around $8, $9 upside, exit all the trade, wait for the another sell-off, like this kind of sell-off, another one. This is where the liquidity is sitting at 39 area. So if the market need to grab the liquidity, the price will bounce off here, reject at this Fibonacci level, bounce back, drop back, take the liquidity of all these points right in this area, which is 39, little bit of wick below these points, like 37, 36, 36, 88. That's the area. Grab the liquidity and shoot up upside. Okay, so short-term bullish, long-term bearish on SMCI. Lululemon, most likely this is where it need to find the bottom. We have this after effect candle right here, this candle right here. So overall, this stock need to find the bottom. It has been selling off like crazy. Okay, and I'm not sure it will bounce, this particular stock. I'm not sure if it bounce right here, but we'll wait. We'll be watching this. If the next candle comes green, we are looking for a reversal in this area. What we are looking at, why we are looking at reversal? If you look at this particular pattern right here, right in this area, this one, something like this. Okay, the bending market right in this area. This is where the price will come eventually, 343. Okay, it will go there, but there is no guarantee it will bounce from here or this is the bottom. So we have to wait. Okay, but most likely what I'm expecting a one bounce from here towards the trend line right in this area, and then further sell off, like make a lower high in this area and like this. This is what I would expect. So recovery from here, go to the trend line, rejection, make the lower high equal to this point right in this area, and then bounce off towards the previous high, and then again sell off right in this area from 330. Okay, so this is what the expected path I'm looking at. IBT, I don't need to cover. Let's go to HIMS. HIMS, we are holding the short put. We are looking for a recovery area right here. Okay, let me uncheck this one. Okay, right in this area. So what we are looking at, we are looking an uptrend channel right here. So this is the channel we are looking at right here. So what we are looking at, the price should bounce from here, go towards 70 area, another high, and then sell off eventually. Okay, so overall, we are waiting for recovery on this one. We are in the trade. We'll continue holding our trade. So moving forward to a firm, I don't need to cover. Where does it come from? Okay, Airbnb. All right. So what we are looking at, these boxes were drawn few weeks back right here. This is where this box was drawn. 1st of August, these boxes were drawn. We are at the bottom. This is where I call the bottom, that it will go to this area. And that's why I clearly mentioned do not trade Airbnb earning, because this box, I knew it. This is where it will drop. Okay, volume drop, price drop. The next volume bar will be smaller and price will recover from here. So same way you have this divergence, the next will be divergence like this, and the price action. Let me show you. So this and this. So this is the divergence you are looking at. What will happen? The volume will drop, price will rise again at 133, 134 area. Again, there will be another sell-off. That will be monitoring whether it will be the 50% retracement or take the previous low. Okay, But until this point, like bouncing from here, went to 130 to 25 and then come halfway. That's 100% guarantee. Nothing can change it. This is your biggest volume bar. The sell-off is done. It's finished. We are at the bottom. Recovery will happen. The next volume bar will be smaller. Let me show you if I could find you the volume bar before somewhere. So you see that this volume bar, big volume bar, buy at this candle. So if you look at this big volume bar right here, green candle. So the buy was done right here. And after that, no candle gone up. The next, it was the sell-off. So volume up, price up, sell-off. And then the volume decline. Volume decline means price started declining. When the volume decline, price decline, eventually this will retrace upside. And this is what we are looking at. Volume decline right in this area. Volume high, price decline. Means the inward of this one is they will go opposite direction. Right now, they were going in same direction. Price was dropping, volume is going up. Now they will go in different direction. The volume will drop, price will increase. But eventually, then both of them will go in the same direction, okay, after this point. So we are looking for a recovery on Airbnb. Moving forward to MU. Anyone, those who are holding the MU, you need to continue hold the trade. What we are looking at, wave 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the wave 4 we are looking at. Wave 5 had just begun. You are looking at 130 area breakout right here, 130. So this is the area. If you are in the trade, you continue holding your trade. No need to book the profit. This is what you are looking at. We are bullish. This is how this trend line retest works. You see this channel, the price was in the channel, breakdown, bear trap, upside, bull trap, retest 200 EMA in the channel and bounce. So MU is bullish and will bounce from here. Moving forward to LLY, we are sitting at the bottom. This was the line. These were the 3 price target we were looking at. This drawing was done long back, I think right here somewhere, right here in 23rd of May. After that, I had never covered LLY on my briefing. So what we were looking at, we were looking at the first price target, second price target, previous low right here. And we have hit the price target. So we are sitting at the bottom right now. LLY will have a recovery. This is the bottom buy and hold play. Expensive stock, buy and hold play on this one. Okay. Good earning, still the sell-off, but the stock will recover. Moving forward to American Express, similar situation. We'll see the bounce here of 200 EMA, upside recovery before the next sell-off. What we are looking at, we are looking for the next lower high point right in this area. So from here, this is the kind of pattern we'll see. Upside recovery and then another sell-off right here, like this one. So this is what you will see. Price here, up, then down. So there will be, it's a recovery play on American Express. It's not bullish, just a recovery play of this trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 of wave A completed. Wave B upside to the trend line. Sell off, marking the lower high. Chipotle Mexican, we are holding the short put. We are about to see the reversal on this one. We will see the wave B right in this area, 49 area, 50 area. This is the sharper trend line I'm looking to follow. Okay, there is one trend line upside right in this area. This is coming from the higher to the lower high point, this one. And there's another trend line. So when the price drop and continue dropping, there is a sharper trend line over the period of time. What we are looking at, this is what I'm looking at. Recovery from here to 40 area, 49 area, marking another lower high, sell off again. Most likely you will see the double bottom pattern forming in this particular stock. Okay, and let me show you. So most likely this is what you will see. This, and this. This is the kind of pattern you can expect, double bottom pattern. So from here, trend line Fibonacci retracement failed again, because when we have a golden cross here, by the time the price will reach here, we will already have a death cross by this point and overbought situation. Volume drop, price drop, recovery is coming right at 49.71. The price will drop again. That area right now we are confirmed from here, this point to this point, the price will recover. Then we have to decide whether it will reach to the 50% retracement or may mark a double bottom. So that area is a little far to analyze right now. So right now, recovery from here to 49, and then we will see once the price retrace from 49 to the 50.5 to 0.68 golden zone, then we will decide whether it will have a recovery from this area or it will continue sell off. That candle, which kind of candle will come over there, that will be decided that time. Right now, a recovery play. Moving forward tomorrow, we are sitting on the bottom. We are in the trade. We are looking at the bounce right here. This was the drawing done a few days back. So this is what we are looking. 1594 was our price target. Right now we are sitting at 1594. We are on the trend line. Lower point to the lower high, to the lower high, third lower high. We are looking for the bounce on this one. This sell-off, there was no reason for Mara to sell off. This was just because of public offering. Okay, the senior convertible note, which was expected about 12% of the market cap to be wiped out, and that's what happened. Okay, this sell-off is done, and the convertible note closed yesterday. So now you will see the recovery on this one. Okay, because the public offering is already closed and the money is raised. Okay, whenever the company raises any extra capital, the stock drops, but that's a golden opportunity to buy, because now what happens? Company has more cash on the balance sheet to buy and invest and run the show, as well as once the convertible note closes, that means more funding from the institution in the stock. That should give you the confidence to invest your money in that kind of stock. Means if, let's say, company is offering private convertible note like MSTR, like Mara, like any other stock. Okay, so what is happening there? Convertible notes, private offering convertible notes are not for retail investors. That's for the institution only. And if institution is willing to put their billions of dollars in the company, why you should be worried about your $10,000 putting in this stock? That's how you should look at the market. So we are looking at a recovery right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up. So you will see a bull trend right here, equal high. Soon the recovery will start today. Moving forward to ISRG, continue holding the trade. We have an equal effects candle right here. If you look at this particular candle, the red candle with the bar, red candle with the bar, you'll see the spin bar candle right here. You'll see a recovery to the trend line, 518 area, 470. So we are looking about 48 area recovery, $48 recovery in this area, and then will be decided whether we have a lower high rejection or we break through, like the Tesla is breaking out. So very similar situation we have. Let me show you where ISRG now. Go back to the trend line and then decide. So if you look at the Tesla, this is where you are on the ISRG. So go back to the trend line and then decide whether it's a breakout or it's a fade. So if you are looking at ISRG, this is the area you are looking at right now, this area. So drop, bounce, recovery to the trend line, and then make or break points. And this is where we are. So right here, this is the area that you are looking at. So from here, recovery into this area, and then at 518, we have a make or break area, whether the stock will continue or it will fail. Okay, moving forward to Tempest AI, nice bounce this morning, 64 area. We have a short put as usual. Excellent trade. We are already gone from 58 to $6 upside gap up. Okay, earning report. This is what we were looking at. Tempest, we have been trading like multiple times. So earning beat all across pre-market, 6% gap up. We are in profit again. This one will be taking the profit now as the market opens, because that's what we were looking at. Okay, moving forward to UNH, most of the people are calling the bottom here. I'm not sure, to be honest, because this stock should have never dropped below this area. After this 248 area, we bought it right here. We closed for many trade in the profit in 302, 303 area from 240 to 248. After that, I was expecting this to hold this range bound accumulation, this area. So hold this and give us a recovery towards 200 EMA minimum. Okay, a lot of people on the social media, Twitter, here, there, they are calling the bottom. We'll be monitoring this. I'm not yet sure on this candle. Unless there is a confirmation of trend, I will not call the bottom right here. Okay, so I'm waiting. I'm watching this one. I have a trade, $250 short put for January 2027. We have collected the premium. Little bit of a loss right now, but we have collected, so we don't care. Our break even is $210. So 244, still $34 in the money. So it's not really bothering us in any way. MTPLF. Why people need to trade every stock? Why you have to trade Metaplanet? Why not MSTR when I have been saying that's going to $516? Even if you want to trade Metaplanet, what we are looking at? We are looking at a bounce right here. Okay, so the bull run has started on this one. We are looking at $16. So right now trading at $6. You're looking at first price target equal high $13 around this fractal. Just around $13 maximum price target. You're looking at 16 all-time high. Let me run the wave for you. MTPLF. All right, MetaPlanet. All right, wave 3, you are looking at first price target 803. So right now it's trading at $7. You're looking at 803 first price target, and the maximum you're looking at 1333. So this was the maximum we are looking at. So it's not going to 16. We'll have an equal high and sell off, but there is a good range to trade right here from 7 to 1333. I would prefer, when I compare this stock with MetaPlanet with MSTR, I will prefer trade MSTR because the option premium is very high on MSTR. So if the trade goes against you, you can sell a covered call and you can protect yourself. Okay, it's a tiny stock, MetaPlanet. The premium is not enough, and I don't know whether its options are trading on this one or not. Yeah, there is no option on this one. So MTPLF MetaPlanet. Yeah, there is no option on this one. So I would prefer personally, even if there is a 1x, like 2x, you can make your money double. Still, I would prefer to trade MSTR over MTPLF. There is a better setup on the MSTR, which is going 516.39. Let me find you where the MSTR is. Right here. Because roughly the same setup, roughly the same concept. Here, what we are looking at, look at this one. Sharp trend line breakout clearly on a daily time frame. If you can't be bullish on MSTR now, nothing will make you bullish in the market. Nothing. Look at this one. We have $630 call. We have short put double. We have invested $0. And we are looking to make a big chunk of dollar right here. What we are looking at, sharper trend line breakout, long position right here, bouncing of 200 EMA. This is which wave we are looking at. So if you right here, look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A. We are looking at wave B. Okay, wave B right here. Minimum target equal high 457. Okay, minimum equal high right in this area. Because this wave B right here will definitely fail 100%. Let me tell you that. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh, if it's a wave B, then it should come here, and then sell off. No, this will fail. You need to know where the setup is coming from. Okay, this is wave B in general, but why the wave B will fail and continue shooting up? Why it will do that? Because you see this trend line coming up. So the stock crossed through, sliced through the trend line, gone up, sell off, retested the trend line as a support line, which was a resistance before, right here, and coming all the way from here. So look, this was the resistance, this was the resistance. Once this is what I'm talking about on Tesla. We are right here on Tesla, a breakout, retest, and then you'll see a massive pump. So what we are looking at here, breakout, retest, again bullish breakout. So this will be a massive pump, which is $516. You will see the price entering into the price discovery area. Whenever you see the trend line breakout, retest, and then breaking out upside, that's nothing more bullish than this setup in the stock market. Because now the trend line has converted into support, which was before the resistance, means the price will not drop below this area. Okay, so you will see a big breakout on this one. We are bullish on MSTR. We're holding the trade. MetaPlanet is done. Let's move forward on the Bitcoin. So this is what we were looking at yesterday when I alerted in the group. Overall, this right at this point, when we were sitting at the trend line, I was bearish. I was looking at this support, this top trend line right here, changing to support, a little bit bounce. But we have a situation right again here. Stock is bullish. I mean, Bitcoin is bullish. 100% we are bullish on this one. But what's the situation? Price has reached the trend line upside. This trend line with the blue box coming down. That's a problem. Okay. So we are not in a situation, right, where we say, oh, it's breaking out. We are not in a situation where we say, oh, it will sell off. So where we are in a watch out zone. This is the area that you watch out. Instead of having your own analysis and thinking, oh, it will break out, I'm bullish. No, there is nothing bullish. There is nothing bearish. Unless it break out, it's not bullish. Unless it fail, it's not bearish. It's trading in between of this range. Okay. So trend line has not been broken. Support has been holding continuously. So if it has to go to bearish, it has to break this down right here. The one candle has to slice through this one, this trend line, the black line. So the candle has to close below. If it's bullish, the one candle above has to cross with the body right here, then only you can say bullish or bearish. This is just a recovery in a range bound. Sell off bound, sell off bound, sell off bound. This is not the bullish or bearish. So we are in a watch out area. We'll be watching. What we are looking at is a low volume rally. That's a positive sign about the Bitcoin right now. It's a low volume rally. You see the volume is low right here in this area, the volume candle. Low volume rally means what happens? Generally, that's where the wave of one starts, low volume rally. Okay. Although we are in wave 2 right now, but wave 1 of wave 3. If this is wave 1, then it is wave 1 of wave 3, means bounce, retest, and then shoot up. So bounce, retest, and shoot up. Okay, and we also have a golden cross on the MACD above the zero line. Volume is dropping, so volume is fading, means the green volume, the green bar will come right here. So overall, if you look at what you want me to say, it's bullish. Okay, we are looking for a breakout upside, but unless it breakout, I will not take the trade either side. Okay, so because it's more of a range bound. This is range bound trading. Price is going 117, falling back 111, again going 117, again falling 110. So this is $7,000 range. Okay, we'll be monitoring this one. We have multiple trade related to Bitcoin. We have MARA, we have MSTR, we have MSTX. So it's not something that the Bitcoin will break out and will miss the trade. MSTX and MSTR will shoot up as soon as it break out. Okay. Moving forward to Algorand, perfect setup. We are going into wave 3 has already started, as I mentioned yesterday. This was wave 1, wave 2, retracement, wave 3. We are breaking out. We are looking at 0.40 as first price target. We'll be holding minimum for 0.40, and then we'll see whether we are going for 0.70 exit or not. 0.40 is the minimum target. Our break even is mostly 26.85, 26.80. We are very close to break even. We'll continue holding our trade for 0.40. ADA Cardona, we bought it at 0.70. We are in profit right now, 10% green in the position. We'll continue holding for 0.97. Do not keep asking question every 5 minutes what Cardona will do. 0.97 is the exit price. Hold for 0.97. We have a golden cross right here. We have a trend line. We are bouncing of 200 EMA, 100% bullish. We are bouncing. So 0.97, then we decide whether to continue or not. Okay, and this rally is a perfect example of the volume. So volume divergence, volume down, price down means recovery right in this area. Okay, this is low volume rally. There will be a wave 2 and then wave 3. This is wave 1 right now. Okay, wave 1, a little bit of retracement around 83, 85 area, a little bit of retracement and then shoot up towards 97. Moving forward to ICP. Our break even is again a little bit higher. We are looking around 620 area. Our break even and 585. So the first price target right here is the neckline breakout equal to the previous low. What will happen? This time we have multiple rejection right here on the neckline. Rejection. This time I can guarantee you this will break out. 625 will be taken down. This is how the market takes you. So the people at the neckline right here in this area, the green zone right here, they were taking the long position. Then suddenly what happened? Market take them down, kick the visitor off the train. Okay, we have a golden cross. Stock is bullish, continue bouncing right here, and this is what we are looking at. 722, 712 above this one. 722 is our first price target. 633, 722, 826, 962. These are 4 price target. We'll be looking around 722, and then we decide whether we want to hold or not. So 722 is the minimum target on ICP. Solana, we are again in profit. Okay. Continue holding your trade. If you're a scalper, keep going in and out every few dollar, $5, $7. If you are a long-term investor for like 2 months, 3 months, then you are good. Long-term doesn't mean 2 years, 2-3 months only. Okay. Swing trading. So if you are like, you want to hold for 2-3 months, hold for 280, 206.42 first price target and second price target 281. So it's going 281 now. So hold for 281. If you are a scalper, like I continue trade. I don't hold my trade on this one. So I continue every $4 because I trade on a smaller time frame. I can literally go and trade on 15-second time frame. So it's important to learn the market instead of whether you are a long-term investor or you're a short-term trader. When I do scalping, I do it 15-second time frame. This is my favorite time frame. So look at this one. If you're buying right here at 175, $1 within like few seconds, like 3-4 minutes, you're out $1. That's it. If you do this 3 times in a day and 200 token, $1,000 and you are out every single day. Okay. 15 second, there are certain time frame which are best fitted. If you are like a high frequency trader, like you can go in and out quick, and you are a full-time trader and you scalp every 5 minutes, 15 second you should scalp. If you are a relaxed trader, 5 minute and 15 minute you should focus on. If you are a swing trader, 4 hour you need to focus. If you are a long-term investor, you only focus on daily time frame. Buy anything which is oversold on daily time frame and you'll never lose money in your life. Okay. Upside and downside on MTPLF. The MTPLF, the downside is literally like $2 and upside is $13. Okay, I would prefer if you switch to MSTR instead of MTPLF. That will be a better trading idea for you. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Market is opened, and I'll see the Discord member in the Discord. Focus on MSTR and Tesla. Thanks. Bye.